If you are feeling confused and uncertain about which accessory to consider when buying a motorcycle, you have come to the right video. Disclaimer: this is not a sponsored video and we are not here to push OEM or aftermarket products. It's all about personal choice and what suits your needs best. Hello everyone and welcome to Rtale Moto channel. Today we are diving deep into Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 OEM accessory lineup. To make things easier, we have categorized these accessories into three types: protection, comfort, and looks. In today's video, we will be focusing on protection and comfort. First up, let's talk about protection accessory. In this category, we have two essential accessories: Sump Guard and Engine Guard. These are designed to safeguard your bike's crucial parts and pieces, especially during unfortunate fall or accident. Now let's shift gear and talk about comfort accessories. In this category, we have three essential accessories: the backrest, touring screen, and footpegs. A comfortable ride makes all the difference in your biking experience, whether you are the rider or the pillion. Before we dive into installation video, I want to take a moment to express my heartfelt thanks to Quality Mobic Private Limited Team Kanakpura Road. Now let's start with the installation videos. Sump Guard. Sump Guard add an extra layer of protection to engine and lower frame rails. Made from heavy-duty aluminum alloy plate, it shields your engine and frame tube from debris kicked by the front tire or during the bottoming out. Now let's take a closer look at how to install. Next, we have Engine Guard, also known as a crash bars. They are like the bodyguard of your bike, shielding the engine and its component during accident or faults. They even provide additional protection to your legs in certain low-speed mishaps. Now let's take a closer look at how to install. Backrest. The backrest is not just about look. It provides much needed support to the pillion rider back, reducing the discomfort from the jet during the ride. It also gives the rider some lower back support, making those long trips a lot more comfortable. Now let's take a closer look at how to install. Touring screen. Touring screens are designed with aerodynamic in mind, offering protection to the rider without obstructing their field of vision. They also help reduce wind blast to your face and chest, resulting in a more comfortable and enjoyable ride. Let's take a closer look at how to install. Footpegs. Footpegs serves two essential purposes. They give your feet a comfortable resting place while riding and provide a solid support during braking. Let's take a closer look at how to install. And there you have it. A comprehensive look at this Royal Enfield OEM accessories. I hope this video has shed light on the importance and installation of these accessories. Remember, the choice between OEM and aftermarket ultimately depends on your preference and needs, so choose wisely. Thank you for tuning into Rtale Moto channel and happy biking. Until next time, ride safe and enjoy the journey.